Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Junaline Galvan Cruz. I'm 33 years old. I'm married, high school graduate, and I have 2 kids. Ma'am and sir, I had experience in Dubai for 9 months as a domestic helper, not finished contract because of my father's death. That's why I went home. I had experience also in Qatar for 2 years as a domestic helper, finished contract.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
Ma'am and sir, my duties and responsibilities for taking care of the children, cooking food, washing the clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, and all household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
Ma'am and sir, I will take care of them by cooking food, preparing food, and feeding them. And I make sure that they are healthy, safe, and clean by serving as my own family.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Ma'am and sir, I can cook Arabic food, Filipino food, and I'm willing to learn more when it comes cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Ma'am and sir, it is necessary to be a good, hardworking person, honest, fast learner, God-fearing, and multitasking, taking care of the kids as my own, and can work for minimum supervision.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Ma'am and sir, to my future employer, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and God bless.